Hello, in this video I will show you how to post on Snapchat. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is, firstly open your Snapchat, then just go to your chat section. If you want to post a chat, just simply open the contact of the person that you want to chat with, and then just simply post whatever you want to post. Let's say for example, hi. Just simply write that, or if you want to send some stickers or emojis or some videos, you can also do that. It's totally up to you. Now, if you want to post something on the public platform, now if you want to do that, it's also a possibility. Now, if you want to do that, just simply follow these steps. So for that, just simply click on the camera option and then post whatever you want to post. So click out the video, use the filter, whatever filter you want to use. And then once you have taken your picture or video, you can add effect, you can add text, whatever you want to do, you can do it by the options on the right hand side, as you can see. Or you can also click on the story option at the very bottom. Add it to your story as well. You can even save the image or the video that you just took by choosing the save option, just like that. And then all you have to do is click on send it to, and now all you have to do is just simply choose my story public, then click on OK, and now just simply post your story to public, and just like that you have posted on Snapchat. So that's it. And if this video is helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.